Hey there, Mac users. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling something super practical: how to view your storage on a Mac in 2025. Whether you're trying to free up space for that new game or just curious about what's taking up room on your device, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Let's dive right in. First things first, start by clicking on the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. You know, that little Apple icon? Go ahead and select About this Mac from the drop-down. This will open a window that gives you an overview of your Mac's specs. Once you're in the About this Mac window, look for the Storage tab at the top. Click on it and give it a second to load. Your Mac might need to calculate the details. You'll see a colorful breakdown of your storage usage, shown categories like apps, photos, system, and more. It's like a pie chart that helps you visualize where all your space is going. For a deeper dive, hover over any section of the chart, and it'll show you the exact amount of space used. If you want even more details, click on Manage next to the storage graph. This takes you to the Storage Management tool, where you can see recommendations for freeing up space, like emptying the trash or removing large files. Remember, with macOS updates in 2025, this feature might have some tweaks, but the basics stay the same for compatibility. It's a great way to keep your Mac running smoothly and avoid those pesky storage full warnings. There you have it. Viewing your storage on a Mac is straightforward and empowers you to manage your device better. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tips, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.